Welcome to the Bitwala Crypto Card Review, Usage Experience. For those interested, I've included links to the product in the description below. In this review, I'll cover the key features of the Bitwala crypto card, who it's best suited for, and what makes it stand out in the crypto card market. The Bitwala crypto card is designed for those who want a seamless way to manage both their fiat and crypto assets. It's a Visa debit card linked to a Bitwala bank account, which combines traditional banking services with a built-in crypto wallet. This means you can easily switch between managing euros and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, all from one account. One of the card's standout features is the instant crypto to fiat conversion. This allows you to spend your Bitcoin or Ethereum directly, converting it to euros at the moment of purchase, making it extremely convenient for daily transactions. It's ideal for crypto enthusiasts who want flexibility without manually transferring funds between wallets and traditional bank accounts. The Bitwala card also comes with zero account management fees and no fees for standard transactions, which makes it a cost-effective choice. The only charges are for foreign currency transactions and crypto trading, but these are transparent and competitive. The companion app is intuitive, providing a clear overview of your balance, recent transactions, and the ability to buy or sell crypto directly. Additionally, the security is robust, with options like biometric authentication, 2FA, and the ability to freeze the card instantly through the app if needed. Bitwala targets users who are both crypto-savvy and looking for a reliable banking alternative. It's perfect for those who want the flexibility of spending crypto while keeping a traditional fiat option open. This card is also great for anyone looking to integrate crypto into their daily life without the hassle of multiple platforms. Overall, if you want a crypto-friendly banking solution with the convenience of a Visa card, the Bitwala crypto card is a solid choice. For more information and to explore the card, check out the links in the description.